We believe you should never have to face another dental drill. The reality is the dental drill is there because you've had a problem with cavities in your mouth. You need somebody that's going to help you find a real solution to the cavities you've been getting. One of my favorite tools to help with cavities is xylitol, Epic Gum and Mints specifically. Xylitol is a natural sweetener that can help get rid of the bacteria that cause cavities. When you use it after meals, snacks, and sodas, it will stimulate your saliva flow. Your saliva can naturally neutralize the acids that are in the foods you eat and drink. Use the xylitol gum or mints to get that saliva flowing so it can buffer against acid attacks right away. This order here that I'm packing today is going to Zachary from New York. I really appreciate you giving a small company like ours a chance by trying our products. You'll be amazed what they can do for your smile. I don't want you guys going to the dentist and having to get drilled. We've all been there. It's no fun. If you're really interested in learning more about the products, check out some of our other videos or grab some for yourself and give it a try.